biggest marine animals they have at the zoo are like sea lions that they have in that giant thing, and they throw fish at them. And the sea lions seem stoked on it, but also it's like that's their meal for the day. So and they're like talking shit.
Do you like palm trees?
I think I do. Yeah, I do.
But I think he would like those ones more.
Are you okay?
Do you like palm trees?
I think I do. Yeah, I do.
But I think he would like those ones more.
Are you okay?
Or something, yeah. Head over to 95.
Yeah. A valley would be at Old Time Pottery.
Is that a hint?
No. Whoa! Oh, did you get that on you?
I may have.
There's PD coming through in red.
He's gonna hit him! Oh, well gone! Hang on, baby.
All the dogs.
You okay?
You okay? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
Бля, вот идиот, а.
Oh my God!
Oh my God! Mommy!
What? Are you okay? Hey! Oh my God!
It's okay.
Technically, they. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh my God!
Whoa! What the hell? The cop was. Holy fuck! What happened? What happened? Holy fuck! What happened? So the car.
Front of the cop. Back up.
But it could have been so much worse. He's alive. Yeah, said Harry. Thank God. Did I hear someone else in the yard? Ginny asked. Hermione and Kingsley, said Harry. Thank goodness, Ginny whispered. They looked at each other. Harry wanted to hug her. Hold on.
Shit!
We're gonna get hands-on with these cars in just a moment, but we gotta wait our turn. And apparently, this time slot is reserved for none other than Paris Hilton's.
Hey Google. Oh! Holy fuck! You fucking idiot! I got that on camera.
Are they okay in the car?
What the fuck are you doing? No, no, no!
It's like Memorial Drive. Yeah, Memorial Drive. Okay. And
Some guy, so she's jogging, and then some guy, what? He like grabbed her or something?
He exposed himself.
Like another jogger just dropped his
That's what I'm
pants?
saying.
In daylight.
Right, but
Yeah.
I'm like, how does that even happen? Like, because he was jogging.